Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum name services. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Ethereum name services has broken out a quite long-term descending triangle on the weekly time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very powerful pump. From this though to here, you can see that it has pumped almost 420%, but could not break out this very long-term resistance on that starts from $27.65 and goes to $30. And by the way, recently it has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, the head, and now we have completed the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Ethereum name services that I shared a few days ago on 14th of July 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 16% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ethereum name services that I shared on 14th of July 2024 with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that Ethereum name services formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour, not 4-hour, on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 16% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Ethereum name services, and here you can see that for the past several months it was moving inside this very big descending triangle. And here in the month of December 2023, we broke out the resistance of this triangle. By the way, I have been showing you this triangle even before the breakout as well, and I was telling you that after the breakout, the target to the upside will be here. That will be here at this long-term resistance of $38.50, and you can see that this resistance level has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance, but so far the price line is not able to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $27.65 and goes to $30. That has been previously working as a resistance zone here, a resistance on here, resistance on here, and now again for the past several weeks since after May 2024 up till now, it is breaking as a resistance. Therefore, now to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break it out. At the same time, we have also found this uptrend line resistance as well. That is now, in fact, the resistance of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the left shoulder, the head, and this is the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this formation is showing the weakness of bears, and there is, this is also showing a very high probability for the continuation of this rally very soon to the upside, because this is the bullish bias pattern, and eventually the price can break out the resistance or this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then after the breakout, the technical target will be here. For example, if the price will break it out here, from here, then technical target will be approximately at $111. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.